Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Cancer. This is weekly reading and this reading is from July 18th to July 24th. And this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Cancer. So let's see your recent past. The Moon, Seven of Pentacles, the Sun. I think for some this could be third party situation, for some not. For some, because there are some issues, you person could be hide something from you, or you could be hide something from you. This could be third party also. They are hiding from you. Seven of Pentacles, one person invest in this connection more than the other. The Sun, I think for some there are some children also involved in this connection. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Cancer, water sign, what is going on your connection right now? Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Wands, Four of Pentacles. Some changes are coming in your connection in near future. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor. Queen of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion between both of you, but one person is not expressing their feelings. They are holding back their feelings because already in past one person invest in this connection more. Seven of Pentacles, but one person not expressing their feelings. I think this could be due to third party. For some your person maybe not expressive. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, but passion is there between both of you. So your person near future actions towards you, Cancer. Ordinariness, Eight of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces also your person could be. Completion, the World. Some cycles are going to be end. Yes, Wheel of Fortune means changes. Some cycles are going to be end. Exhaustion, Nine of Wands. I think your person, for some your person is guarded up. For some your person don't want to give up on this connection. They want to work on this connection. Eight of Pentacles, it is slow but stable. Some cycles are going to be end. Completion. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. The Miser, yes, two times Four of Pentacles. They are not expressing their feelings. The Burden, Six of Swords. Postponement, Four of Swords, Lord of Air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could be Control, King of Swords. Some controlling issues. Your person already feeling exhausted. The Burden, Six of Swords, some communication. Postponement, I think your person want to postpone something between both of you because they are not expressing, they are holding back. They are thinking about you a lot but not taking any action, but they want to come towards you and they want to work on this relationship. Definitely postponement, you have to wait, but things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune. So depending upon your situation, this resonates to you. So definitely they want to work on things between both of you, but some harsh communication or straightforward communication is coming in your way. Some cycles are definitely going to be end. They want to work on this relationship, but it will take time because Four of Swords is here. They are right now in relaxing mode or taking rest. Then they will come towards you and offer this commitment to you. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.